guys, welcome to today's video. In our last video we talked about the comparison operators where we considered equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and then less than or equal to, and we expatiated on various roles that they play in extracting data in MySQL. Today is going to be a very short video, and I'm going to introduce to you the keyword called distinct. This particular keyword is used when we want to avoid replications, or we want to avoid what we call duplicates. Without much ado, I'll just move straight to Workbench and continue from where we ended last time. So here I am in Workbench. Typically, let's take a look at this employee database, the employee table. We said we're going to select everything from employees. Now we're going to get our 300,024 rows. Now, for instance, let's try to select from this same employees. We are not selecting everything, but we want to select the gender from this employee table. We get the same 324 rows. But when we look vividly at the beginning of this table, we see that we only see MF, which is representing male and female, male and female, male and female. Right. There could be a possibility that there is another gender which is maybe down the table. We don't even know. And there could be a possibility that the only genders in this particular table is male and female. So if we want to avoid duplicates and also to actually know the distinct entities in this particular column, that is where this distinct keyword comes into play, because it's going to help us, one, avoid duplication, and then also it will also help us, just like our null and not null operator we used earlier on, to find what is actually down the table. So when we insert into this section, when we say now select distinct gender from employees, let's clean up this. This is the query. Now so we see that in this whole company, we just have male and female, rather than just climbing up a whole lot of males and a whole lot of females. It's just useless. In my words, it's just useless, because it's just some form of replication that it's of no need. Now let's take another example to understand this better. For instance, let's consider another table. For instance, in this table titles here, I'll copy this and paste. Copy, paste, I'll take the distinct off. So I'm going to select everything first from titles. We just first take a look at the table and then we move on. So this particular title table here has 443,308 rows. And in this table, we see employee number, title, the form date, and the to date. Now, in this particular column, we see that from what we can see, because it's 443, we can scroll down and check everything. we see that right from the beginning, senior engineer, there is an overlapping of the titles. So we can use distinct to actually know the hierarchy or the distribution of the titles in this particular company. So that when we say select distinct title from the titles table, and we execute this query, what do we get? Out of the 443,000, now we have only 7 rows returned, which shows that the titles in this company only ranges from senior engineer down to the manager and nothing more. So this is what this distinct keyword can also do for you when you are querying in SQL. I'd like to end here, and until we meet again, have a nice time. Bye.